What's happening, good people? I'm Doug from Thaber Media, where we talk about creative people doing creative things with creative AI. Today, I want to talk about more of the consistent characters that we now get in Midjourney, and I want to revisit the blend that we got a few versions back, see how we can mash those all together to make some interesting characters. Let's dive into this. Instead of working off the Midjourney site, I'm going to jump over to Discord, as that's where most folks still have access. First off, what you're going to want to do is get your consistent character into Discord. So if you move down here to your message and hit plus, we're going to upload a file. Got a lot of files here. I'm going to jump into here, and I've cleverly named this character our character. We're going to be using her to generate images today. Now that we've got her loaded up, and now we just click open in browser. There we go. And let's copy that. Perfect. Now we've got it copied. And if we wanted to, we could now create a character. What we'll do here is use the imagine prompt, and let's try a female samurai. I'm going to do --cref, which is the character reference. Put a space, and then we're going to paste in the link to that website. So with that, now we can hit just enter, and it's going to go ahead. Now it's going to generate a character based off the prompt and with that website. See here, here's our reference, our character reference, and here is what it generated when we asked for a female samurai. We didn't tweak anything with character weight, so we got her in basically what she's wearing in the base image. You want to tweak that, make her more samurai-ish. What you're going to have to do is put that prompt in again to save us some time. I will copy this and paste it in down here. Imagine. However, what I'm going to do, along with the cref parameter, I'm going to give it a CW, and we're going to go with a 50. And that's bringing it down from 100%, what you're seeing in the image, down to 50% of the character image, reference image of the character. Now, we should see some more flavor of a samurai color in. And again, I'm going with a very simple prompt. So now I'm going to try a different command. It's the /blend command, which is going to take two images that we put in there. It'll take these images, smash them together into something new and unique. Check this out. The command is blend. And it's asking for two images. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to go back in. I want our character. Yes, please. And I want this that I'm calling magic. So with these two, character magic, now it's going to blend these two images together into something new and unique. Okay, so this is finished rendering. Let's have a look and see what we got. You see, it takes the two images that I loaded it with and just kind of blends them together. And now we have something a little bit more unique. We have some magical energy going on. So let's say we are somewhat happy with this, but would like to see something a little bit different. Let's say we want a little bit more of the magic element and a little bit less of our character in this. What we're going to do for that is go down here and hit it with a reroll. We're going to do this. Boom, boom. Is that a colon? So we're going to add some weight to these images now and indicate which image we want more of. So first of all, our character is going to be at a 1. And these go from 0 to 2. And we'll colon. And let's make that 2, indicating that the more weight should go to the magic in the element. And now we're just going to blend again and see what we get. Okay, this is finished rendering. And check this out. By adding more weight to the magical elements, we start to get something that looks like this. It takes away from the blending of the two together and takes it in a completely different direction. So now we have these very magical, very interesting elements here. I think this is a bit too much to use as a character reference, but I did want to show you. Sometimes you have to play around with the weights, but you start your weights at 1 and 2 and maybe move back and forth between 1.5, maybe I'll go all the way down to 0. It may take some time to figure out, and a couple of different renders to figure out exactly what you're looking for. If you have an idea, go with it. That's it. There you go. Character references in Midjourney. to create that consistent character, the character weight to add or subtract from that original image you bring in as your character, and blending and weights there to set a weight to get more of what you want of one image or the other. That's it for this time. Hope you found something useful out of this. Hope you found value in it. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Till next time, go make things that make you happy. Thanks, everybody.